must be imaginative, strong-hearted. You must try things that may not work. And you must not let anyone define your limits because of where you come from. Your only limit is your soul.
This is a quote from Auguste Gusteau from the cartoon Ratatouille. Who are we not to listen to him? Hello everyone, you're on the Easy Eat Studio channel, and today we are kicking off our series of video recipes from famous culinary films and cartoons. And of course, when we talk about films, the first thing that comes to mind is the Pixar cartoon Ratatouille. So let's put ourselves in the hand of our sweet little mouse and prepare today's famous vegetable ratatouille together. Dice a red pepper, 1 onion into half rings, and finally chop 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. I have already made it. Fry everything in olive oil. It really doesn't matter how you cut it, because all of that you will whisk in a blender. Now you are ready to add a pepper. Be free to add some pepper, some basil and paprika. Smells so good, yeah. In a French ratatouille, you must add a little bit of wine, red wine, like in France. When choosing wine, you need to maintain a balance of sugars and salts. When the alcohol evaporates from the wine, the sugar remains. But if you are not using the wine, you likely need to add sugar. Eat tomato paste. Be free with it. It will taste so much. We have 15 minutes, then let's go and slice the vegetables. Thinly slice the vegetables. We have eggplants, we have zucchini, we have tomatoes, and we have one more eggplant, not usual, like this. Now our sauce is ready. We need whisk the sauce in a blender. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pour your sauce into a baking dish. And now place all the chopped vegetables in our baking dish. You need to take one of this, one of that, one of this, and one of that. And like this, you must slice, you must put it right here, yeah, in a circle. Yeah, let's go. Salt, pepper, oregano, and a little olive oil. Cover and bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes.
In many ways, the work of a critic is easy. We risk very little, yet enjoy a position over those who offer up their work and themselves to our judgment. We thrive on negative criticism, which is fun to write and to read. But there are times when a critic truly risks something, and that is in the discovery and defense of the new.
Antoine Legault, Ratatouille. All that's left for me to do is say goodbye and say